Welcome to Hunter's introductory video. This tutorial is for you to get familiar with the Hunter's interface, learn how to add or edit lead statuses, and schedule an interview for a candidate. First, we have to log in by using this button on the right lower corner and entering the login details. In the home page, we have basic overview of the results that have been generated by the software. Here we have the list of most recent events that have been scheduled by the office. Also some basic statistics such as passive leads, active leads, employed leads, and some more. Also below we have a list of the most recent leads, and on the left hand side we have the list of the most recent new agents employed. Basic features of the software can be managed by using this upper toolbar. By choosing leads, we access the list of the leads that have been generated using Hunter's software. Leads can be filtered using these filters provided, such as ID, status, name, last name, email, or phone number, or using advanced filter which adds city and event as well. List of the leads can also be viewed by ID, by date, by name, by city, by office, by supervision, by status, by age, by test score, by the presence of motivation letter, by the rating, by the experience in sales, by the presence of CV, by the presence of driver license, and by the type of education, where S stands for secondary education, U stands for university education, and C stands for college education. In the right upper corner, we also have two options that allow us to add or to import new leads. Lead statuses can be added or edited by clicking on the lead that you want to edit. On the left hand side we have some basic lead information, and on the right hand side we have leads workflow. On the top of the right hand side we have the most current status of the lead. To edit it, click on the pencil next to the current status. Once we've clicked on the pencil, we have a dropout of statuses and a field to make notes for yourself. Let's choose invitation to interview status. It's important to notice that by choosing the status, you have to make sure that you tick the send notification box, as this will make sure your candidate gets invitation email. By choosing events in the toolbar, you can access the list of the previous and most recent events. By clicking on the event chosen, you can edit its type, status, event, place, date and time, or even attendees allowed. If you want to add a new event, just click the plus button on the right upper corner and enter the information required. By choosing interview in the toolbar, you can access the calendar window where you can see all the scheduled interviews. In order to see the interview schedule for a particular manager or schedule an interview, choose the account in the drop-down list in the left upper corner. Process of scheduling the interview times is really simple. Just choose the date at which you want to schedule an interview, and on the right hand side choose the time at which the interview has to be scheduled. After the time has been chosen, press add time, and as we can see, the interview has been created. It's important to notice that managers should schedule as much as possible interview times in order to achieve the best results using Hunter's recruitment software. By choosing statistics in the toolbar, you can access the statistics window where you can see the basic information regarding the lead generation and the workflow. Also, you can use few basic filters for filtering the information. It is also important to notice that before inviting candidates to the interview, Hunter's manager has to schedule some interview times. The same is with the event. Before inviting a candidate to the event, Hunter's manager firstly has to create it. Grow your office together with us.